Though yung iba may mga tao nagsasabi na itong mga politicians na to, mga nauna daw magpasarado ng ABS tapos nung nandun daw ang Bini, number 1 nagpapapicture. So, porque ba ganun, hindi na pwede magpa-picture? Kayo talaga? O meron pang isa doon na parang alam nila na very much woke yung mga girls when it comes to political issues, ganyan. And they look uncomfortable daw. May mga ganun pa, gumagawa talaga ng issue. Nakakaloka. Well, of course, pagdating naman sa ganyan, syempre, everybody is entitled naman, di ba, of their own opinions. Whether kung ang mga girls ay woke or may sarili-sarili silang kumbaga standpoint when it comes to, politics, huwag na natin bigyan ng kulay. Nandun sila to di ba, to receive that very, very, kumbaga parang very unique appreciation from the Senate. Though yung iba may mga tao nagsasabi na itong mga politicians na to, mga nauna daw magpasarado ng ABS tapos nung nandun daw ang Bini, number 1 nagpapapicture. I mean, yun yung mga bagay, yun yung mga issue na sometimes wag na nating i-connect. Ibang yun kumbaga parang for me parang set aside natin siya, park natin yung idea muna na yon. Sana i-highlight na lang muna natin si Bini. So, porque ba ganun, hindi na pwede magpa-picture? Kayo talaga? Yeah, again, maraming salamat dun sa I think the resolution or yung parangal na yon was sponsored, that was the right term. A resolution sponsored by Senator Bam Aquino. Ayan. Commending the P-pop group Bini for such historic milestone. So, thank you so much, Senator Bam, for the effort of commending artists and I guess para hindi naman puro hindi naman puro stressful yung hindi naman puro stressful yung nakikita natin sa newsfeed. Ang cute ng may ganyan. Yung may ganyang news break na they were commended. And again, ako naniniwala ko deserve nila yon. So, girls, congratulations. And we're happy to see you back in the Philippines. Ang dami nila mga interview and engagements after their Coachella. Na parang ang daming nag-interview sa kanila after. So, happy to see you girls back. And we're looking forward for more. Wow, for more! Syempre, di ba? Nasimulan mo na So, tuloy-tuloy siya. And I guess the fans, the Filipinos are very excited for what to look forward. Hinihintay ko pa rin na kunin ng DOT ang nakunin ng DOT ang Bini. Ang perfect nila, di ba? Ang perfect nilang ambassador. Lalong-lalo na nung pagkatapos nila mag-perform sa Coachella. Ang daming mga creators on the internet na ginamit si Pantropico as like a background music. Tapos, puro collage ng mga different scenic spots, tourist spots, fiestas, mga tao sa Pilipinas that looked like a tourism campaign. And surprisingly, it fits. Ang ganda niya tingnan. So, I think it's a good idea. And even one brand, PAL, used Pantropico as a background music dun sa in-upload nilang video ng iba't ibang destinations in the Philippines. So, ang bagay, di ba? Ang bagay nilang gawing DOT ambassadress. And it's just so perfect. Like, Pilipinas is like an islang Pantropico. We have 7,000 plus tropical islands and it's just perfect. I hope they are taking notes. I hope they're listening. It would be nice. It would be a nice campaign. So, yeah. Again, congratulations, girls.
Ano pang ginagawa mo dito, ha?
Sinasabi ko na nga ba
Solid yes friend ka talaga. Dahil nandito ka na rin lang, sige na, mag-like at mag-comment ka na. Mag-subscribe ka na rin at i-click ang notification bell
para mapasali ka sa mga kalokohan namin.
Bawal na bawal mag-no dito, ha? Kasi yes to!